Good day. Welcome. This is your Daily Med with Lady V. Today we take a look at productive faith. Looking at St. Matthew chapter 7, verse 27 through 31. In today's lesson, we will see two faithful and grateful men who cried out for mercy. They also used the Messianic title by calling Jesus the Son of David. They acknowledged their faith and they realized that Jesus could heal them. Jesus acknowledged this, and of course, Jesus made them whole. Their sight was restored. St. Matthew chapter 9, verse 27 through 31. It says, as Jesus went on from there, two blind men followed him, calling out, have mercy on us, Son of David. When he had gone indoors, the blind man came to him and he asked them, do you believe that I am able to do this? Yes, Lord, they replied. Then he touched their eyes and said, according to your faith, let it be done to you. And their sight was restored. Jesus warned them sternly, see that no one know about this. But they went out and spread the news about him all over the region. These two men, they were in the environment where healing and deliverance was taking place. Because if we look at the scriptures above the one we just read, Jesus had healed the woman with the issue of blood. He had raised the dead. And so lots of things were going on. These two men followed Jesus. They were pleading for their sight. Yes, they were dispossessed of natural vision. They couldn't see, but they had an actual spiritual discernment to address Jesus as the Son of David. They recognized that he was the long-awaited Messiah, the rightful King of Israel. They also knew, I believe, about Isaiah 61 and verse 1. And a part of that credentials that is listed there, they knew that he came to bring forth deliverance and to give sight to those that are blind, be it spiritual or physical. But Jesus tested their faith by asking them, do you really believe that I can do this? Their response was, yes, Lord. The great physician is here. Jesus touched their eyes and assured them that because they believe, they would see. The world says seeing is believing. God says believing is seeing. In St. John 11:40, Jesus said to Martha, did I not say to you that if you would believe, you would see? In the instance of Jesus raising Lazarus from the dead. There are many people who regard faith as just a mere commodity, something that you have a lot of or a very little of, depending on your circumstances. We should understand the importance and the necessity of maintaining a disposition of expectation towards life. Only those who have an unfailing faith and trust the eternal God can face the future with courage and serenity. This great truth and acceptance of it in our lives creates stability and enables the believer to face the future with confidence. Let us have faith in God, for the answer that we need for all our varying circumstances. Have faith in God. God bless you. Thank you again for watching. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Please go to my YouTube channel where you will find over 700 teachings. God bless you.